Okay, so if you're trying to make a circle, you're going to start like this with a piece of paper. Probably get something bigger than this, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So let's say I'm going to be making a 16-inch bonnet. That means I'm going to need to make my pattern half of that size. So if I need a 16-inch bonnet, I'm going to make my template 8 inches. So I'm going to take my ruler from the end up until 8 and I'm going to go ahead and mark it. And then just like a protractor, if you've ever used one, you're going to hold it down here and you're just going to keep marking 8 inches until you get down to the bottom of the paper. Just like this, keeping this in place. Then you're going to go ahead and connect those lines. Once you cut this out, this is going to be your new template that you're going to use to make your circle. I would write 16 inches on this because I know this is a 16-inch bonnet. Now fold your fabric in half going upward and then in half again going towards the left or the right. Grab your template, make sure the straight edges align with the folded edges. Both straight sides should be on the folded sides, just like this. No raw edges to be shown. Cut your template out and then you're done.